Welcome to yet another Anime News Roundup, and, well, Anime News Network's top story for this week is Fujimita Holdings, Osamu Kanamitsu, and 3 other executives resign. Bones the news as a whole. Well, still which anime cast Mao as Rosen, as Rins Belford, Campfire and Cooking Another World with My Observed Skill Season 2 teaser unveils new cast staff and the debut in October. Shoko Nakagawa silhouettes Liberto with Dragon Quest creator, and the voice actress Rie Takahashi resumes work after vocal cord. After vocal surgery, gradually resuming, getting back into work. Meanwhile, well, Microsoft raised the Xbox Series X and S prices globally. We have Japanese TV rankings for last week. Dinner Table, Detective Ends 2.5, Language Maker Indie Burmese with a 6.3% rating. Pluto launches High Dive Comedy Inuyasha Anime Movies Kids Anime channels. Universal Distribution to acquire Alliance Games. Add Populum to acquire Diamond Comics assets following bankruptcy court decision. As reincarnated the 7th Prince Anime's promo video reveals more cast opening themes and July 9th premiere. Elden Ring Nightreign Games overview trailer previews Linfield Night Fairs, Roundtable Hold, and Night Lords. Countdown to Countdown animated series trailer has been streamed. Wait. One of them looks like a bird. Something looks good.
Elden Ring Nightreign is a co-op survival action game.
That's a co-op survival action game.
You must become one of the Night Bearers, fighting through the endless night and taking on scores of vicious foes over the span of 3 days. Once a country that thrived thanks to the power of gods, Limdale is now nearing its end, gradually being eroded by the night that has saturated the land. You will be deployed to Limdale to hunt the Night Lords as a level 1 character. In your current state, you won't stand a chance against that type of overwhelming power. You must gain the strength to survive by moving swiftly and skillfully.
Oh, it's a multi-cop PvE game set in the Elden Ring universe. Good in this action RPG, where the players will now experience the same journey twice as enemies, rewards, and Linfield is ever shifting and evolving with each new session. And the more risks you take, the more rewards you get. Barbarian's Bride's anime video unveils staff on October debut. Voice actor Chinari Hisamoto announces her marriage. Shoujo Nal's Kane Nakahashi launches a new manga on the 22nd of May. Live action The Exit 8 film cast Nana Matsu. We have North American anime manga releases this week, including the anime releases. We have Classroom of Elite Season 3 Blu-ray, Placed Further from the Universe Blu-ray, Naruto Shippuden Blu-ray Set 6, Rick and Morty Blu-ray, and you also already got Zero Season 3 on full Blu-ray.
I reconnected the 7th Prince anime's promo video. Anti-Scream's second Mononoke film, All I Need to Kill is anime. Only the Horror Blue of Blueberry Onsen game PC version is launched.
That's a really good question and a tough question.
I think he's popping up. Mono Anime reveals English dubcast and a premiere on the 3rd of May, which is today. Mado Montagari Fear and Wondrous Academy game launches in the West on the 29th of July. The Apocalyptic Diary Season 2 anime cast Natsumi Fujiwara. Everybody hosts short anime casts. Hiden Obu Koichi. I've probably completely butchered that one. I'm sorry, all Japanese viewers, if you watch this. Ugly Mug. Epic Fighters anime ads announces. Premiere on the 6th of July. Song Hong Park's Bullet Bullet anime reveals the ending theme song in the second promo video. Lupin 3 2D anime feature film will get a prequel on the 20th of July. Sailor Moon opening plays as baseball star Shihoi's Otani's All Cup song. And an Overwatch game unveils Gundam Wing collaboration. Just 4 characters in this case. Gundam Wing Zero, the Endless Waltz version, Epion, Death Scythe Hell, and the Tall Geese. Keeps popping up. Mercy is, of course, the end. It's Wing Zero. Soldier 76 is the Tall Geese. Reaper is Death Scythe, appropriately. And Ramata is Epion. Harvest Moon The Lost Valley and Skytree Village games delayed on Switch till the 3rd of July. Dragon Quest Yuji Horii Blue Locks Mayuki Kentrishiro collaborate on a new Switch game. To Heat Remake Games official trailer introduces the heroines. Dream Hours the movie opens. Concept scene has been streamed. Sonic Rumble game delayed until further notice.
Seven Seas licenses the scheming Crown Princess Rosie Wicked concert. Katamari Manan is more manga. Sword Art. Fractured Daydream game ads. Sudachi Thriller and 3rd DLC. And Mito and Alice in the 4th DLC. Music Awards nominates Creepy Nuts Bling Bang Bang Born. Yusubi's Idol Miss Green Apple's lyric for best song. Crunchyroll adds the English dub for SK8. The Infinity Extra Part OVA. Hell Teachers. Jigoku Senshi Noble debuts on the 2nd of July. Airs in 2 parts, with the second half appearing in January 2026. 428 Shibuya Scramble developer Jiro Venture launches crowdfunding campaign for a new game. Yumanasu launches subtitled Yoramado Party. Pretty grey anime tickets for UK screenings of Demon Slayer, Mugen Train on the 14th of May are now available. Voice actor, but they've been available since Wednesday. Voice actress Mikhail Kono delays pulls out of 2 events after email threat. Not another one. Must be those Americans. Anyway, City, the animation casts Hoichi Otosaka as the narrator. Gao then announces 20th anniversary project film. Winners of Top Meds. Franchise gets the 4th console game. 2025 Detective Conan film stays at number 1. Live action Yaba Kong Min debuts at number 2. Takashi takes Hobo to release 6 manga in English digitally.
Only she knows Ko's April Fool's joke is real. Kaname is a Green Pepper ambassador. Token Rimbu Online now has an official beer. Idol 7 first beat compilation film to release in 2 parts. The Vexations of a Shut-In Vampire Princess manga has ended. Tomohiko Ito's Wonder X manga ends the first part. Sachi Records, Sachi the Book of Revelations manga has ended. Destroy All Humans that Can't Be Regenerated Magic the Gathering manga has ended. Kakaro's Legend of Heaven's Door manga will end in the 23rd volume. GQuuuuuuX released Grave of the Fireflies anime film on Blu-ray and DVD on the 8th of July. Kashan manga Restart Civilization on the Manga Cross website. OSC Soccer anime gets 2nd season by TMS in 2026. Palette Nyliner Rulers TV Crown anime with first promo video reveals the ending theme song and a July 2025 premiere. Monomi Hosoda's Scarlet anime film opens in indie theaters on December 12th. Sony will release Monomi Hosoda's Scarlet in the UK cinemas, and it will open up in the Philippines on 12th of December. Song Hong Park's Bullet Bullet anime reveals the theme songs in first promo video and announces 2-part cinema screenings. Batan launches Fatal Game manga on the 23rd of May. Kurabachi manga to rule 2.2 million copies in circulation. Deflect Rain with Gundam Shield umbrellas. Star Wars The Mandalorian adaptation returns with new creative team. Luffy the first pitch at the Boston Red Sox. That's One Piece themed day. Mamoru Hosoda's Scarlet film anime film opening in Japan on the 12th of December, in the US in a teaser. Some fronts of his Elden Ring game has sold 30 million copies. New Godzilla manga unveils visual Godzilla Galaxy Odyssey title. Tis Torture Princess anime 2nd season premieres in January 2026. Anime Limited and Proton Films acquire upcoming The Last Blossom film for UK and Ireland. Neon Genesis Evangelion Winston becomes North America with singer Yoko Takahashi. Three stops thus far. Toronto on the 26th of August, Irving on the 28th, and Los Angeles on the 30th of August. And then I'll go to release the Looking for Full Moon anime with full English release. For You streams animated opening video for Velvet High School RPG. Burgo streams lyric promo video. Hindi, Tamil and Tuvalu dubs for Gorilla God. To Girl anime streamed on Crunchyroll. Blue Thermals Kanjo Zero to Ends Koryoko Osori manga on the 23rd of May. The City of the Animation cast Jun Fukuyama. Gundam Valplagus. Eve manga will end on the 26th of May. Your Favourite Tomorrow at the Food Court anime reveals a July debut. Fly Me to the Moon manga goes on hiatus. Becky Rohan manga goes on hiatus until the 15th of May. Furomachi's YouTube Dr. Muscle manga will end on the 8th of May. Pump House Infield creator Shogo Shigatani launches new manga on the 8th of May. Rejet announces Double Up Lovers Dark Fate Lunatic Power Raid Switch port with Black Wolf Saga. Vice on Svarts. Girl at Yuri Manga Magazine's Kickstarter for the 3rd volume launches on the 15th of May. Volume of Dai Novels manga TV anime. The newest Tamagotchi Ring is a slice spin-off manga ends in the next chapter on the 26th of May. Pokemon Center releases live-action Evolution plush dolls. And more or less life-size, about the size of a decent-sized dog or cat. They're about the size of a dog. I didn't realise the fact of how big the evolutions actually were in face-to-face. But now they're about the size of a medium-sized dog. Shonen Series Manga launches digital manga magazine aimed at women on the 29th of May. Banner's Court Magician aims to become the strongest anime cast. Yoko Kobo sells at work. Madison spin-off manga ends in the next chapter. Beauty Pop Manga returns with a new sequel series. Code Number 8 game opens pre-registrations with a second trailer. Yumasumi's Pretty Derby game English release later for the 26th of June. Webtoon IDW launches Sonic the Hedgehog and Lock Key comics reformatted as webtoons. Times on the Exit to Goodbye UK home released on Monday. Webtoon Creators Union to file complaint against Kyoko Entertainment. Now Webtoon releases AI chatbot for Webtoon characters. South Korea announces 5-year plan to boost the animation industry through the Ministry of Culture, Sport and Tourism. Alliance Entertainment terminates Diamond Comics purchase agreement. We now have Hindi dubs for Once Upon a Witch's Death, Catch Me at Ballpark, anime streams on Crunchyroll. Nochimaru, There Was a Hole in the Student Organization manga gets TV anime. Private Tutor to the Dark Daughters anime cast Kana Hanazawa as Felicia Foss. And the beginning of the end. Nova's got a Kickstarter campaign for a print run. On CBI. Apparently Akira Toriyama himself. The Dragon Ball Z have an online connection to the biggest anime of 2018. Gundam GQuuuuuuX director's favourite anime franchise is... the franchise is one of the darkest. More specifically, I think we know what it is. It's UC080, War in a Pocket. It's an OVA set at the end of the 1 Year War, which sees Zeon trying to basically destroy yet another Gundam. I saw myself in him, so Leveling Star opens up Song Ji-won's role as an Asian immigrant. Hello Kitty and Cinema Run and Bad. Max Maru to unite a new limited edition collection mixing rebellious spirit with classic cuteness. And Pluto TV has launched a 24-hour Inuyasha streaming for anime for the series' 25th anniversary. Apparently, one of the WNBA player Diamond DeShields likes anime and was part of a healing process. See you tomorrow at the food court, and Seekers of and Card Captor Anime inspires a 200 miniature collector. Collector ones, I've been the Trans, please leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video at some point. Or if not, then the next anime news roundup. Cheerio!